TDP want to destroy YSRCP cadres' moral, and they want to destroy our party. For that sake, they are demolishing our offices in name of irregularities. But actual thing is, according to GO number 340, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, at his regime, he allocated each registered party and recognized party up to 2 acres in all district headquarters. Simultaneously, we also done the same. And for instance, they are valuing our offices, that much cost, this much cost, thousands of crores. That is only lease we have taken as per Telugu Desam Party, how they have acquired lands for their party offices. In a similar way, we have acquired. But in Mangalagiri, TDP is having their central office, which is costing 1,000 crore rupees. At one office, I am saying about 1,000 crore office it is. How they encroached the land of irrigation or deformed pattas, Dalit category lands has been encroached. Everybody knows. That also pending in courts. But we have not demolished. We respected courts. Instead of that, instead of respecting courts' verdicts or courts' judgments, court proceedings, our office has been demolished in Mangalagiri, Guntur district. But today they are eyeing to destroy each and every our party office in all districts. They want to convey a message. They want to terrorize our cadre that there will be no YSRCP further. So join with our party and there will be no future to YSRCP. This is the message they want to give to YSRCP cadre. They want to demoralize. They want to destroy our offices. They want to terrorize our cadre. This is their motto. And with GO number 575, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu got 33 years lease has been extended to 99 years about his central office. Is it permissible? 33 years lease has been renewed for 99 years. Is it happened anywhere in India? So they are preaching, they are violating all norms. They want to terrorize our humiliating defeat. We are suffering and we are recollecting our mistakes and we are boosting our cadre to fight back. They want to add, they want to pinch us, they want to add salt and pepper on our wounds after the defeat because they got huge mandate. But after getting that mandate, it is high time to deliver their poll promises and to implement manifesto. They are not doing that. From next month onwards, they have to implement their manifesto. Before that only, they want to humiliate us in a big way that there will be no YCP. They want to convey this message to YSRCP cadre. They want to destroy our party in all the manner by destroying our offices. But our morale will not be lose because we are strengthening our heart and core and we will fight back.